kittens! We are back. Tivy's here. This is episode 3. I'm in my bedroom that I built between episodes. So basically, when I died down there, I actually, I came back here in creative mode, okay? I was going to stay down there on that tree, okay? And then I accidentally broke my tombstone. Well, my gravestone, or whatever. And because I was in creative mode, I didn't get the drops. And apparently Tiffy finds that hilarious.
Yeah, it is so.
Yeah, when you die, all those red dots, there's a tombstone. There was a tombstone down in that tree! Oh, wait. I'm still in creative mode. Oh my gosh. Oopsie daisy. Tiffy, your call thingy is in the way.
Wait, what's in the way?
Your call thingy was in the way.
That was not my coughing, that was my laughing.
Alright, you guys, I'll be right back. I need to get out of creative mode, and I can't do it right now. Alrighty, kittens, we are back. Oh, whoa, okay. That always happens when I first come in. So yeah.
Yo, what's up, peeps?
Blah, 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 blah. What were we doing? Oh yeah, we were just, okay. So, we were just talking about how, yeah, anyway. I need to
eat. A zombie!
Zombie. Hey, look what I found.
Banana! My favorite food! Banana!
And
now I can make a porter to go to Banana World! A Banana World! Do the banana dance! Do the banana dance!
Tiffy! Look what tree I found. I found a banana sapling.
We can make 5,000 banana trees! We can make 5,000 banana trees.
Look at this animation. That animation was delicious.
What animation?
Alright, so I have an idea. Let's venture off and find all of my death points. Shall we?
Fine.
We need to do something. Oh, actually, I need to get a bunch of...
Bunch of what? Upgrade? I'm not a little tiny.
What happened?
Fine. I will go to that level.
I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, whoa. Well then, that was kind of strange. But, as I was saying, I need dirt.
Did they hear me? Oh, never mind. What? Yo, what's up, peeps? Again, and again, and again, and again.
What are we getting again?
Many things. What are you getting a lot of dirt for?
To make a tree farm.
A tree farm? Banana tree farm?
All tree farm.
No, banana. Only the bananas.
I need all trees, Tiffy. We need all the trees. Our tree count will be over 9,000. Yeah. I had to make that reference. I don't know why. I just had to. And I don't even watch that show.
Really?
Yeah. I apologize for
what
any
show are you talking
fans.
about?
Dragon Ball Z, right? Isn't that where it's from?
Good question. I don't know. I never saw that. I do watch anime, but I
Wait.
never saw that anime. I heard
I need
about
one
it,
more.
but I don't want to watch it
Now
because
I
of the
have
graphics.
exactly a stack of dirt.
The graphics and the animations is not my favorite.
Yeah.
At all.
It is an old show, so you can't really blame them. But yeah, do you like my little setup here? Oh yeah, this is how I made all my torches. And I had one torch left when I placed them around.
16.
I'll just place it like here.
No, I can't.
Hey look,
hear
my
you
purple
anymore.
hand! You must go that way.
I can hear you again.
You wait, when could you not hear me?
When did the hype hit scream? Did you hear that scream?
No, I did not hear that scream. Great. I want to go over to that tree, but I don't think I can get there without using blocks. Major danger.
Major danger. Jump.
I did jump.
No!
This might take a while.
Booyah, I won.
You know what? I'm gonna use my dirt here. I'm gonna go back over. And I'm gonna make an axe. That might be a good idea, right?
Good question, I don't know.
What? How... Did you even... I don't even know if that was a right... if that was an actual question. And I'm the one
doing
who said
two things at once. You guys, I'm doing two things at once. One, play a game that I'm doing. And two, watch him play a game.
Lovely. Dovely. Love pedal.
No! No!
Must make my way around. At least I'm on my tree. That means I can just make my way around here. And hop onto my ladder. Oh, jeez. That was really, really scary, you guys, okay? Don't hate, okay? That was really scary on my end. I have one stick. I can make 2 axes.
Random noise time! I don't know what noise to make. Wait! My throat hurts.
There we go.
Wait.
Banana time.
Lucas. Lucas.
What?
Lucas. Lucas.
Can I help you?
How are you?
Good.
What's good here? My throat hurts. Not my favorite thing to do.
La da 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 da.
Why don't you have iron pickaxe yet?
You mean regular? You mean axe?
Yeah.
Because I haven't gone mining, and besides, stone is before iron. And if you're wondering how I have a iron shovel then, it's because it was in that witch's house.
The house that you destroyed? No, that was not the right one.
Mm-hmm.
I remember that you made a cloud house for me.
Oh yeah, that was on my free time world. It's actually called free time. And I'm in this biome, which is at night, which is almost as bad as being in a jungle at night. What? What?
I'm watching a new show.
What's the show name?
Anime show, and I don't know if I know how to pronounce this. So I'm gonna spell it for you. Nah, I don't feel like spelling
no, just type it. Just type it in. And then
you can say it.
And it should pop up on my screen. Over and up where my map is. So what were we doing again? Oh yeah, we were gonna go do that, but then we decided to go ahead and build this. And that's when I went and got all this wood. Dang it, it's not popping up on my screen.
I won again.
What? Alright, so now we're gonna go this way. Maybe I see lava.
Jump in it.
No! This path is so beautiful. It's not even done yet. I'm working my way over to that tree, which means I can start going just straight this way. La da da bo. Okay, I have noticed in some videos we don't talk that much, and I don't.
Interesting.
Oh look in the map, Tivy. Wait, is that the tree I'm going for? No.
I have no idea.
Whoa.
What's this?
Actually, I think that is the tree I'm going for. No, that's the tree I'm going for. So let's cue ahead and do that zigzag pattern again. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Oh. Well, okie dokie then. Oh no!
How much do I have now?
I just used 60 blocks of wood to get over here.
Wait, how many?
60. And I'm not even all the way there.
I wonder about you.
Why?
Wait, what's
You know
this?
what? Screw it. If we make our tree farm, then we have all the wood in the world. 44 wood. Lovely, doubly love petals. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Not really. But I don't care.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
My hand is falling asleep.
Don't display.
Alright, you guys. This is going to be fairly quick. One momento, okay? I'm going as quick as I possibly can to do this. I promise you that. Oh dear. Hey. Alrighty. So now this way my hand won't fall asleep. And I can actually hold the buttons and not die. You know? You know what I'm saying, G?
Nope.
That was a Scooby-Doo reference, if anyone knew that.
Not me.
Well, you probably don't watch Scooby-Doo. Do you?
I do.
How much?
I know I watched more than 10 episodes.
Not that Scooby-Doo. A Scooby-Doo movie. Do you watch Scooby-Doo movies?
There's a lot of Scooby-Doo movies.
One of the two main Scooby-Doo movies is the first Scooby-Doo movie.
From what time?
Like live action
wait, was-
Scooby-Doo movie with real actors.
Oh, I actually had a live action before.
Yeah. I kind of wish all these trees were growing in the ocean. That way, if I fall, I can just at least try to not hit any of the trees. And then, yeah. Ugh. Mom, I'm recording. But I will. Night, love you. Anyways. Dirt. Lovely. Dirt.
He's
Too bad
now
I can't get
using
grass
dirt.
seeds. I wish I could get grass seeds. You know? But that's like,
I wonder
I don't know
about
what
you.
mod that is. And I guarantee it's not in Attack of the B Team. So, yeah.
So yeah, what?
Wait, what? What are we yelling about?
I don't know. I was talking. I can't speak. I can't speak.
And that's the last of the dirt. Oh my god. Okay, trees are not for me, apparently, because I can't stay in them. So we gotta go this way, and then we gotta go this way, and this way, and then we gotta turn this way, and then we gotta break this block. Hey. There we go. And then we can la 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 la. Hoppity hoppity hop hop hop. Hop. Let's go to bed. Go to bed. What is it? Did you find your crush in the game you're playing?
What?
Did you find your crush in the game you're playing?
Unless you want to say I got crushed by my enemy, yes.
Why did I hear a zombie?
That's what I did.
Oh, hello, Spy Terrorist.
That's my anger.
Dope, zombie. You're in the sunlight. You can't hurt me. Don't fall in the water, zombie. I wouldn't want you to live. Oh no! I'm stuck. Not really, I can just...
Wait, how do I do something
Oh no,
again?
I just got myself even more stuck. Here we go. What? Shut up, you stupid zombie. It's not a skeleton, you know? Where am I going? I need to go that way. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Look at me now.
Really, dude? Just really?
Yes. I feel like,
Wait,
you know how the song...
remember that video that showed me?
Cat?
Yes! I love that song!
Cat? I'm a kitty cat. I'm a kitty cat.
Na 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 na.
Oh. Alright, so we're gonna go to this one first. It's up hither. Hither slither. Mither gither. What? I have no clue. Don't ask. Do not ask a single thing, because you will get... Because it will be a wrong question, and wrong questions get wrong answers. That is a reference to a movie I watched yesterday. Wait, not yesterday. The day before yesterday. Wait. It was Friday, okay? So yeah, the day before yesterday. Where am I going again? Oh yeah, that way. I don't even care. Let's open the map. Okay, so it's best if I probably go here and then go there, right? Am I right?
I don't know.
Go around towards this way and then go up that way, and then I can get there. That's market. So it's one of the light around it. Oh, I'm starving and I don't have any food. What a lovely predicament we are in today.
Oh, it's not what I wanted.
Oh no! I forgot I can't run, but I'm starving. Is that a cherry tree? Please tell me that's a cherry tree. It's probably not a cherry tree, but we're gonna check it out anyway. I love the fact that we don't have to kill animals to get food, which, not that I'm like, oh, the poor animals kind of thing. It's just, sometimes there's places where there's no animals, so. Leaves. Wait, block, dot, leaves. No, that's a comma. Block, comma, leaves, comma, comma, name. Well then. Whales, then. It's not a cherry tree. And I don't see anything that we can eat. Oh, and it turns out, I'm pretty sure, that you can use candy flowers for food. Alrighty, oh look, I think those are coconuts. Tiffy, I think I found coconuts. Yeah, coconuts.
I was wrong.
Tiffy, I found coconuts.
Interesting, my dear pal.
I want some coconuts. I want some coconuts. Hey.
Why?
Because I want coconuts. And they're the only food around here.
Coconuts. Coconuts.
Hold your coconuts.
Coconuts. Coconuts. Coconut. Nuts. Nuts. Coconut. Nuts. Coconut. Coconut. Coconut.
Ooh, candy flower. Let me try something. Tiffy, what are you doing?
What? I'm singing the coconut song.
Is that even a thing?
Nope, I don't think so. Wait. I don't feel like looking it up on YouTube. I'm so cold. No!
JV, I just ate all of my coconuts. What's this one? I think this is pears.
Why did you eat all of it?
Because I had to.
Were you gonna die?
Yes. I had to eat them. I had to. Break your stupid tree. We don't have time for this. We're supposed to be on an adventure.
Adventure?
Yes, an adventure to find all my old stuff. I don't even remember dying in these mountains. So, cave. Let's not go into the deep dark cave yet. Boop ba boop, doop da doo, doop da doop doo, doop da doo doo doo. Oh, and Tiffy, we basically broke those trees for nothing because I just remembered that I had a bunch of apples in my inventory. Oh well. We are Indiana Jones. Indy. Oh, jeez. It just fell in a hole. Jen syndrome. I have Jen syndrome. Oh, come on. My stupid trackpad thingamajig, because I am playing on a laptop, but I think it's like broken or something.
Don't know.
I hope that song isn't copyrighted.
I think it is.
Dun dun dun!
I wonder how much money that is. Does you have to pay for them?
I would play
Do you
my
think-
theme song thingamajig. It's not really a theme song, but my favorite, like, right, goddammit. Oh, there wasn't even any freaking coconut. Anyways, but yeah, I would play my favorite, the dun 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 thing.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
No, the dun
Cat.
dun dun.
I'm a kitty cat. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Cat. I'm a kitty cat.
No, it's cat. I'm a kitty cat. And I dance,
Kitty
dance, dance, and I dance, dance, dance.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Cat. I'm a kitty cat. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Cat. I'm a kitty cat.
Tippy, he actually
Yeah.
says things.
Well,
Whatever I can make.
oh well.
He says, cat, I'm a kitty cat. And I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. He says, dance. I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Oh, and guess what I just did? I just went up the wrong
I don't
side
know
of the
that.
mountain. I just went up the wrong side of the mountain. I went up the wrong mountain.
Jump, 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 jump.
No, I'm not jumping. Alright, so I basically just need to build that way. Okay, Tiffy? If I just build that way, I'll be perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. I know some of you are saying that uses more wood. I know it uses more wood. I'm not an idiot. Tiffy, what about headphone users? Be considerate. Arrgh!
So happy.
So yeah, she's playing a Bleach game, right?
I defeated him. I defeated him.
Who did you defeat? I hate those little tiny cactuses. They're so freaking annoying.
Me?
No, the cactuses. The little teeny weeny cactuses. Cats. I'm a kitty cat. And I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. That song can't be copyrighted. It says I died right here. Oh yeah, that's right. Your tombstone disappears after 2 deaths, right? Or something? I don't know. So we just went on this adventure for no reason, basically. And the sun is setting, and we are not gonna make it back in time. And actually, we need to stop the video, so we're gonna stop it at the top of this hill. Okay? Goodbye, kittens!
So